In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Vive Financial card. I'll walk you through each part of the process so you know exactly what to do, what to expect, and how to avoid common pitfalls along the way. By the end, you'll have a clean, confirmed closure and peace of mind. First, pay off your balance. Make sure the account shows a true zero, not just statement balance paid. Look for any pending transactions, recent returns, or interest that may post after your last payment. If you've recently made a payment, give it time to clear, and then check again to confirm the balance is still zero. Avoid making new purchases during this period so nothing new appears. If you have any disputes or chargebacks in progress, wait for those to fully resolve before moving forward so you don't end up with unexpected charges later. Next, contact Vive Financial to request the closure. Use the number on the back of your card or the secure messaging options in your online account. When you reach a representative, clearly state that you want to close the account and that your balance is paid in full. Ask them to confirm that new transactions will be blocked and check whether any fees, interest, or pending credits could still post. If you use autopay, ask for confirmation that it is turned off after closure. Keep the call short, clear, and documented. After that, get written confirmation. Request an email or letter that includes the date of closure and notes that the account was closed at your request with a zero balance. This document is your proof if any questions come up later. Save it somewhere safe along with your final statement showing a zero balance. Then monitor your credit report. It can take 1 or 2 billing cycles for the closure to appear with the credit bureaus. When you check your reports, look for the account to be marked as closed and paid, with no past due amounts. Keep an eye on your overall credit utilization after closing. If this was one of your higher limits, your utilization ratio might change. If anything looks inaccurate, file a dispute with the bureau and include your written confirmation. Finally, dispose of the physical card securely. Cut through the chip and the magnetic stripe and slice the card into small pieces so the numbers aren't intact. If you have a shredder that handles plastic, even better. Spread the pieces across separate trash bags to reduce the risk of anyone reconstructing the card. Follow these steps and you'll close your Vive Financial card cleanly and confidently.